I'll show you guys some things we look for commonly on our deck inspections. We're out here in Plum. We're about to start deck here in a few minutes, but during the inspection, these were some things we noticed. The main support beam is not set on top of the 6x6, meaning all the weight is just bearing onto those bolts, which means it potentially, could fail and shear and be a big problem. Our posts are actually buried deep enough; they look pretty fine. This deck was here for a while, so obviously the supports were decent. But another big thing we noticed was that the joists were over 16 inches on center. I think they measured out at right about 2 foot on center, so there's a lot of bow in the boards up top when you walk on them. Our ledger board, you see, you got these kind of old school bolts. Sometimes there's 2, sometimes there's 1, sometimes there's 2. Now we go 12-inch on center, and then we have 2 in every joist bay minimum. So when we install the new ledger, it'll be a lot better. Going to our railing, big thing we noticed is that there was no post. Everything's being supported by the pickets. There's no 4x4 posts or anything. It's just a long continuous rail where it's just these, you can see these are all popping out right now anyway, but all these nails are just holding it in. Going over to our stairs. Our stairs, which are pretty weak when you walk on them, pretty flimsy. They're only supported by these nailing blocks right here. So when we do the new stairs, it's going to be 4 stringers minimum cut and notched, and then boards set on top. And that's so supported all the way up. So the problem is with these ones, if you're walking up steps sometime and one of these boards decides to go, you're going right through it. Decking itself was laid fine, but aesthetically, all these boards are just butt end to end. We're gonna run continuous boards all the way around. We're gonna have a picture frame border going all the way around. It'll be a much nicer finished look, and that includes, you see there's boards that are moving and stuff as you step on them. Just an old deck, so that's part of it too, of course. But we'll also have a facial skirt board going all the way around just to give it that nice finished look with the composite material. Our materials over here, we got our gravel. It's going to form as a base for our footers. We got our hidden fasteners that will make it concealed so you don't have to see any screws on the deck.